In this video, I want to show you how to fix a paper jam on your Epson ET-2980. So to do it, the first thing I always say is to disconnect the printer from the power. So first turn it off, make sure, okay, turn power off, press OK, yes. Leave it a few seconds until the screen goes completely black. Okay, great. And now unplug the power cable from the back, just like that. Now what you need to do is to turn the printer around, remove any paper that is in the input, and over here you're gonna notice you have these two latches that you need to press both at the same time and pull out this panel. Okay, it will come out this way. And now you need to inspect these rollers to see if there's anything stuck over here or over there. If everything is fine, take a look inside of the printer right over here. This is where most of the paper jam occurs. With a flashlight, with a pair of tweezers, you will be able to extract anything that is stuck. If nothing is appearing weird over here, everything is fine, put back this panel. And now we're gonna need to lift this front panel, whoops, not the scanner, but the whole front panel. And now you'll have a better look right over there. Check to see if anything forbids the print heads to move freely from the left to the right. If there is some paper stock or anything blocking, you'll get the paper jam error. So again, with a pair of tweezers or your fingers, go ahead and remove any stuck debris that you see. At the end, once you have found out where the paper jam came from, go ahead, plug back the printer in the wall outlet. Okay. And power on. The error will clear by itself. It should disappear and you'll be able to use the printer in a few seconds. Leave a like if this was helpful, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.